raining. It's very cloudy, Rob. Huh? It's windy also. It is raining. It's raining out here. Let's see. Close it so it won't get. Oh, there's another cutting. It's so weird. Like if this feels so isolated, and then you see people on their cell phone, right? Yeah, we're here in Dai.
We're gonna go out on the pier.
Yeah, let's go on the pier, and then we'll come this way, and then we'll go to the store. Oh, look at all the flags. What's going on?
The holiday.
You think?
Sunday, Independence.
Independence Day yesterday, Friday, or is it? Are they still celebrating?
Yes.
It's the weekend.
Watch out, the road. Dog.
Where is it?
Right in front of me.
Honk your horn.
He just walked right in front of me.
Oh, right there.
I don't see him.
Yeah. Honk.
Okay, he's out there.
I already see. I think this is good.
Yeah, we'll stop right here.
Okay, wear your hat in there because it's hot. It's not like a thing.
Oh, maybe not.
It's just bobbing.
It's so bright, it's hard to see.
Yeah. Well, it looks like there's some right there.
Right there.
Huh? No, it looks like coconut. Oh, are you sure?
Yes, yeah. If they don't go under, then they're not afraid.
Oh. You okay, Dai?
Yeah, that one's not.
It's like a coconut husk. Looks like somebody was camping over here. Oy. Wait, look how shallow that guy is just running on the.
Yeah.
He's running. The water must be shallow. That guy is running. Look, they're walking actually over there. So it's Hunasan. Yeah, over there on the rocks.
Yeah.
think other people have the same idea. You have to come here early in the morning, guys, so you see. Last time we came here around this time and we didn't see any. But early in the morning is good.
The water's too shallow, like or I don't know.
They're closer to the...
It's not too rough because they were in really rough water before us.
Smile talingting na. Wala man ni mang. Up. Are we close to Aquaman?
Yeah.
That one's Islander's Paradise. Huh?
Very meaningless.
Nasan? Should we cross? You wanna cross? It's the low tide. Very low tide. Beb. There's people out there checking out what's in the water because it's low tide. Gathering some food. This is Dumalai and Lorena Sikihor. There's a dog here just chilling. Ready?
Too crowded.
Hey doggy. All of a sudden it got really windy about. Oh my gosh. Look. Look. Huh? I got that. Oh my gosh. Look how windy it is. Oh my god. You see that? Hey.
Oh, really?
Why? Oh my gosh. Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, here's the effect of last night's thunderstorm. Things, leaves, right there, right there. Lot of debris. Na, daghang palwa dong. Like all the palm prawns. This is last night's thunderstorm effect. Look at all these birds flying all over. It's all these swifting swallows or whatever these birds are that are flying really low next to me. Okay. Look at all the fish in the fish pond. Last night's storm basically filled it up. Oh, you want me to feed it?
I already did.
Oh, you did? Russ already fed. Yeah.
I can give him more.
You gonna get it more so I can video?
Yeah, I only did one spoonful. I don't know how many spoonfuls.
You wanna do another one?
Hello, little puppy. Hello. Hello. you're scratching all the time. Still got.
One thing is that you're not breast.
Oh, I already gave him one spoonful. I'll give him. How many spoonfuls?
How many spoonful?
Ready?
Three.
Yeah,
Okay.
3. So you need to do 2 more.
Yeah, well, this is one. So.
1 more, I mean. Ah, look at that.
See, it's a feeding frenzy.
Isama ko na yung mga pan kinalo.
There's last night's effect, rain effect. Look at all these on the coconut.